Hey traders, Chartman here. Today we're looking at NVSR for November 29th, 2011. We're looking at a daily chart. This goes back a little bit of ways here into May, and what we're looking at basically is the stock was generally moving into a downward trend, and you can see basically it lost its volume here back in mid of August, and then sellers just came in and drove the price right down. We were trading as high as $2.10 all the way down to 10 cents as a low. So had a huge drop in just a few days, and then what we're basically seeing is a sideways consolidation from this point on. What we're actually calling this is a descending triangle. What we have is basically lower high points sort of building, and we've got this red line here. This is our resistance that's kind of pushing the price down lower and lower. We've got very solid support right around the 10-cent area. You can see we've tested it a few times and it seems to be holding, doesn't want to give away. So what we want to watch for is for buying interest to start to pick up as the volatility starts to get really tight. This is the indication that we can see a breakout occur on the stock. If we do get big volume as the volatility gets tight, 9.9 times out of 10, that sends the price to the upside on a big breakout. We do have some price resistance right around the 30-cent area, so we're going to draw another resistance line up in here. And we've got very strong support, as I mentioned here, right around the 10-cent area. Now, if we take a look at our volume, what we have here actually is very explosive volume coming in over the last few weeks. Right here, this is unprecedented. The stock's never really had any volume like this ever. So this is a very exciting opportunity to be getting in this stock. We could see a really nice run occur over the next few days. What we're very likely going to be seeing here is now that we've bounced off this 1 cent area, and now we seem to have, 10 cent area, and now it looks like we're building up a secondary support right around 15 cents. So we've tested this 15 cent area twice and held. So what is important to see is that these low points get higher and higher. This is going to give us that upward momentum to break out past the resistance areas up here, the 30 cent, 28 cent, and this downtrend resistance line. This is going to give us the breakout, and we can reverse the overall trend to the upside. So right now we have our first low point at 10 cents. We've got a second higher low point at 15 cents. So what we want to watch for in the next day or so is a third high point above the 15-cent area, maybe around 20 cents, and that's going to put upward pressure on the price against the resistance, and we could see a really nice breakout. Now what's excellent to see is the STO is giving us indication that momentum's shifting to the upside here, so we can get little mini trends. If we follow the STO, we see a fall right here when the price fell from 30 cents to 12.5 cents, and then it ran back up to the 28-cent area on this move, and then it came back down to 10 cents, which is where it's at just now, and now it's crossing over. So we know that the momentum is shifting to the upside. This could be the opportunity to get a nice breakout on the stock. And until next time, remember, I'm not an investment advisor or an analyst, so do not use this for any buy or sell signal. Thank you very much for watching, and happy trading.